Okay, hi everyone, this is Majo, this is Juan Andrés, and me, Alejo, and today we're gonna make a very tasty recipe to global education and POC.
I explained the recipe of One Direction, the story. Okay, in an interview, one person asked to Louis Tomlinson, Harry, Niall, Liam, and saying, "What is the most romantic thing you do in a date?" Louis Tomlinson said, "Cooking." And this person asked to, "What will you cook?" And this is the recipe. It's a chicken stuffed with mozzarella wrapped in pomahad with mashed potato. Ingredients I use in this recipe are chicken, bacon,
mozzarella cheese,
Pepper and salt.
We use this tool for cooking this recipe. We turn on the oven to 118 degrees for 30 minutes.
Let's start. First, you cover the chicken with pepper and salt. After, you cut the cheese in small pieces.
fold the chicken to make like a ball.
The next step, and I think the most important step, you cover your recipe with bacon in this form, and yeah, this is the finished step of your recipe.
Now, you cover the complete tray with olive oil.
And we put it in the oven.
It's ready and I serve this delicious recipe.
Thank you for watching, enjoy this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye!
Bye.